Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I'm welcoming you all again to an interesting DIY videos to create beautiful lovely sceneries and some cute lovely origami creativity. Let's unleash your creativity and unlock your talent. Get the sheet, get them pressed with the help of your fingers gently, and then you have to create it in this pattern. Further, you have to fold it in this way and get them arranged. Get the eyes pasted and your Santa Claus is ready. Now here get the circles, attach them in this manner. Then you have to make the clock in this way and then get the beautiful seed like structure pasted. Now here you have to get it made in this form and your clock is ready. Cool, right? Now here you have to get a sponge. What are we gonna do out of it? Just cut them up in this shape and then you are going to arrange them in a group like this. Further, get the stem pasted and your bouquet is ready. Cool, right? Further, what are we up to? Here also you have to get the sheet, arrange them up in this pattern, interlock it one over the other. Now get it arranged in this way, another sheet, and get them a shape like this and your carrot is ready. So cute and adorable, right? Now here you have to make the spirals over the yellow sheet. Now what we have to do, you have to cut it over and paste it along it, make the eyes and all, and then the smile. That too a cute one. Isn't it pretty? Right? Now here, what are we gonna do now? Here you have to just get them beautifully attached in this manner. Further here, you just beautifully made into a shape like this and patterns like this. Get them arranged in this position. Now get another sheet, you have to cut them up in this manner, get them made into a form of a fish and get them beautifully arranged in this way. Now get the rolls made like this and this is gonna look pretty. Further here get a sheet, you need to just roll them up in this manner and with the help of scissors you need to cut it along the lines. Cool, right? You just have to arrange them together in this way. Now get them made into this form and this is gonna look absolutely pretty, isn't it? Now just get the rolls and this is it. Now here with the help of ruler, you need to just get the cuts like this. You have to get the stripes in this manner. Now get a cloud, you need to paste the stripes behind it in this way. These colorful stripes in this manner. And this is gonna look absolutely pretty. Just roll them up and give it a curls like this and make your wall hanging. Now here you have to get these scrap paper, these scrap sheets, you have to roll them up in this manner with the help of your fingers. Just secure them up tightly in this way and get a beautiful rose made out of it and just tie them up. This is gonna look absolutely pretty, isn't it? Now get a sheet, roll them up, gently press it with your fingers. Keep on getting the folds like this and get them arranged into a heart-shaped patterns of flowers in this manner. Pretty cool, right? Now here on a plastic sheet, you have to just paste the flowers like this and get them beautifully secured in this manner. This is gonna look pretty. Get them arranged in this way one over the other and further you can make as many as you want. Now here, get another sheet and get them secured in this manner and you will end up getting a beautiful lovely pattern. And this is it.